A Newport Richie man just sentenced to spend the next 10 years in federal prison for extorting money and impersonating an IRS agent. Federal investigators say that 24-year-old Andrew Corrigan and a second man told victims they owed money to the IRS and even Canadian tax authorities. A judge ordered Corrigan to pay more than $870,000 back to his victims. And he's far from the only one trying to use the same ploy. 10 News reporter Bo Zimmer has information from one of Florida's top IRS investigators on how you can avoid becoming a victim.
The IRS reports over the past 4 years, criminals scammed nearly 600 Floridians out of an estimated $3.4 million. Florida ranks 5th for the highest losses. And here in the Tampa Bay area, an entire team of special agents are working year-round to investigate these types of crimes. And the first can happen with just a simple click in your email box.
Criminals are continuing to use phishing emails, so that's where you get an email from someone posing as the IRS. Right. There's two things that could be included. There could be a link that they want you to click on where they're trying to get your personal information or your financial information. There also could be malware that they're wanting you to download, which will infect your computer.
Now, other scammers will actually call you on the phone. Investigators say when you're dealing with the real IRS, there's a few things they will never say.
The important things to remember: IRS will not threaten to arrest you. We will not threaten a lawsuit until you pay your tax. We also won't mandate the type of payment you use. We're not going to ask you to use a reloadable debit card. We're not going to make you use a gift card. Any of these things are telltale signs you're on the phone with a scammer.
So what happens if you're the victim? The IRS says the first thing you should do is file a report with your local police department.
Once you filed a police report, you need to file an identity theft affidavit with the IRS. Contacting the IRS quickly is the best thing you can do so we can start protecting your account. You also want to contact at least one of the 3 major credit bureaus if you've provided information to a scammer to make sure that you can start protecting your credit.
Both the FTC and the Treasury Inspector General have websites where you can report IRS impersonation scams. We've put a link to both on our website at WTSP.com. Bo Zimmer, 10 News.
Again, remember, avoid phishing emails, and the IRS will never threaten you on the phone or suggest a payment method, especially a reloadable debit card or gift card.